Ready to pass the CPA exam faster? Visit cpapass.ai. Today, how to pass the CPA exam, the ultimate study strategy. Why are you studying 30 hours a week and still failing your CPA exams? It is the single biggest trap candidates fall into, assuming that more hours equals a passing score. The truth is, traditional textbook cramming is designed to make you fail. You spend hours highlighting dry pages, falling asleep over video lectures, and by the time you sit for the actual exam, you've forgotten 80% of what you studied in week one. To pass all four sections, you need to stop studying like a college student and start studying like a test taker. Here's the exact strategy to pass. Step one is to reverse engineer your study process. Do not open the textbook first. Instead, go straight to the multiple choice questions. This is called problem first learning. When you look at a question before reading the explanation, your brain actively searches for the logic. You will get them wrong at first, and that is completely fine. Use the answer explanations as your primary text. Read why the correct answer is right and why the other three choices are wrong. This saves you 50% of your study time and forces you to learn exactly how the examiners test the concepts. Step two is to lock in a highly focused 2-hour morning study block. Do not try to study for 5 hours straight after a long day at work when your brain is completely fried. Wake up 2 hours earlier, put your phone in another room, and dedicate this uninterrupted block to your core learning. Spend the first 90 minutes doing 30 targeted multiple choice questions and reviewing the explanations. Spend the final 30 minutes on one or two task-based simulations. By 8 a.m., you have already completed your hardest work of the day, leaving you stress-free. Step three is to leverage mini sessions throughout your day. You do not need massive blocks of free time to pass this exam. You have dozens of hidden 5 to 10 minute gaps every single day, during your morning commute, waiting in line, or on your lunch break. Use these moments to run 5 question quizzes on your phone. If you do this 5 times a day, that is an extra 25 questions daily. Over a standard 8-week study window, those mini sessions add up to over 1,000 extra practice questions without sacrificing any of your personal or family time. Step four is to conquer the task based simulations without letting them drain your clock. Many candidates fail because they panic when they see giant spreadsheets and 10 different PDF exhibits. The secret is to treat every simulation as a group of small multiple choice questions. Do not read all the exhibits first. Read the actual call of the question first so you know exactly what numbers to look for. Then open one exhibit at a time, extract the data you need, and fill in the corresponding cells. This systematic approach saves you 20 minutes per testlet. Step five is the weekly cumulative review. The biggest enemy on exam day is forgetfulness. If you study section one in week one and do not look at it again until week 8, you will fail that topic. To prevent this, dedicate the last hour of every weekend to a cumulative review. Run a 30-question random quiz covering every single topic you have studied from day one up to that point. This constant spaced repetition forces your brain to keep old concepts fresh in your active memory, completely eliminating the need for final week panic. Step six is your 14-day final review phase. 2 weeks before your exam date, stop trying to learn new material. Your only goal now is to drill your weak areas and build exam stamina. Take one full length mock exam under real timed conditions to get used to the 4-hour clock. Spend the rest of your time running sets of 20 multiple choice questions on your lowest performing topics. If your score is under 70% on a specific area, drill that topic until it clicks. This targeted approach is how you turn weak spots into easy points. Remember, the CPA exam is not an IQ test, it is a test of discipline and process. Candidates with perfect college GPAs fail this exam every single day because they try to memorize everything. Meanwhile, average students pass all 4 sections on their first try because they master the study process and manage their time efficiently. Do not let a low practice score discourage you. Every wrong answer you find during your prep is one less mistake you will make on the actual exam. Trust your daily routine, stick to the plan, and keep pushing forward. To execute this entire strategy and guarantee your passing score, you need the right tools. Head over to cpapass.ai right now. This is where you can join a dedicated community of CPA candidates who are studying just like you. You will get access to over 20,000 multiple choice questions and task-based simulations, plus full-length mock exams to drill your weak areas. You can start completely free with free daily practice questions, and no credit card is required. Stop wasting time with outdated textbooks. Go to cpapass.ai today and take control of your study journey.